In this video, I'm talking about what happens when people go with the cheaper price. You hear this a lot of times whenever you're sending out bids and proposals, which is a lot of the reason why I don't like to waste time driving around the city to send out bids, to lose them and then waste an entire day or day and a half driving around to send out estimates for jobs that I'm not going to get. Here is a perfect example. I'm at a gas station right now. About 2.5 months ago, I got a call from this gas station right behind me. They asked me if I would come and give them a quote for some parking lot striping. They asked if I would come and do a restripe on their property, and I came, gave them a quote. It ended up being about $1,200, which it's not that big of a job, but to haul the trailer, to pay somebody else to come with me, to stripe the lot, get the supplies, is about $1,200. Well, guess what? They send me a text and they say, we found someone to do it cheaper. The person that did this restripe did a horrible job and did not know what they were doing. And if you guys are interested in learning how to do parking lot striping jobs, how to do restripes like this with the right paint, how to do the job and get it done correctly so you can make good money, be sure to check out the How to Stripe course. It will be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description. That way you can get the training that you need to not do jobs like this and look like this guy. Also, I want to say this, guys, don't be discouraged if you get a message that says we went with the cheapest price. There's going to be guys that are going to underbid you all the time. You might as well just prepare for it. People are going to undercut you and try to charge as low as possible, which if you've watched the channel for any length of time, you know that working for super cheap is not beneficial. Now I'm going to flip the phone around. I'm going to show you what a horrible job the people that they chose to work with besides me, simply because my price was more expensive. There's a reason why we charge what we charge, and there's a reason why these people charge what they charge. I'm going to flip it around and show you. So the first thing is, this was striped probably 2 months ago. You can already see that it's peeling and it's faded. This line didn't even stick. Look right here. Look how bad of a job they did. It's almost like they used inverted spray cans or something. Absolutely horrible. They striped that, but look how fast it's worn off. Worn off super fast because they did not use the right kind of paint. Probably sprayed it. Look right here. Look at this curbing. Absolutely horrible. Totally unacceptable. All the way down there. All of the lines are uneven. It's just a horrible job. And I can see why these people charged what they charged. Now, I've been here before. Now, I've been here since this got restriped. I know what it looks like. I know what it looks like because I've already been here, because when he told me that he found somebody that did it for a cheaper price, after a few days, I followed up and came back up here. Well, when I seen that the lot looked like this, after that, I sent the guy an email. I said, would you be interested in us coming out to service the parking lot? Because it looks like whoever you chose to do it did a horrible job. And they did. Absolutely horrible. Well, of course, I think I might have offended him because he said, no thanks. He didn't want me to come back and do it. So, obviously he's learned a lesson that the cheapest price is not always the best option. And if you guys are the cheapest guy and you do work like that, you need to do a little bit better. Anyways, guys, don't be afraid to charge what you charge. If you do good work, charge good prices, because you're going to win some and you're going to lose some, because it's going to keep you busy, but it's not going to help you scale. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out how to stripe, and we will see you in the next video.